Comparison of Airbrush and Artbreeder. Airbrush is an AI-powered photo editor and image generator that is designed for polished portraits, social media visuals, and professional quality edits. While Artbreeder is a collaborative AI art platform focused on blending and evolving images through genetic sliders and community remixing. Airbrush is practical and brand-oriented, whereas Artbreeder is exploratory and creativity-driven. Now let's look at their features. When it comes to their primary function, Airbrush is AI photo editing and image generation tool, while Artbreeder is an AI as blending and evolution tool. When we look at their output type, Airbrush gives you enhanced portraits, product visuals, and AI generated art, while Artbreeder's output is characters, landscapes, and abstract art. When it comes to ease of use, Airbrush has a one-click retouch, background remover, and AI avatar, while Artbreeder has interactive sliders for traits like age, gender, and style. When we look at their creative control, Airbrush gives you retouch, reshape, output changes, AI art generator. While Artbreeder gives you mix, splice, and evolve images. You can do that using the genes. When you look at community features, Airbrush is utility focused and geared towards creators and professionals, while Artbreeder has a vibrant community with contests, remix parties, and social sharing. When we look at their pricing model, Airbrush has the free plan plus paid subscriptions for HD or bulk editing, while Artbreeder has a free tier with limits and also has paid credit bundles. Lastly, who or what are they best for? Airbrush is best for influencers, e-commerce, professional headshot, and polished branding, while Artbreeder is best for artists, hobbyists, game developers, and storytellers. So the limitations. Airbrush is focused on editing and polish, so it is less suited for experimental or abstract art, and the paid plans are required for HD or bulk processing. While Artbreeder has a free tier, but the free tier has restrictions on uploads and downloads, and the outputs are more experimental and less suited for professional branding. So in conclusion, if you need professional quality edits for branding, social media, or e-commerce, Airbrush is the better choice. But if you want to experiment with AI art and collaborate creatively, Artbreeder is more suitable. Hope you found this video helpful.